Every day I was struggling, even when I was at my best. My anxiety was always with me, and my panic used to tap my shoulder twice or thrice in a day. On good days, I was able to manage it, but on bad days, I just wanted to be in bed. और bad days ज़्यादा हुआ करते थे. This was my situation 2 months ago. Hello everyone, my name is Richu. I'm a mother of 2 kids and a housewife. Like every woman, I quitted my job after entering into this motherhood phase. And from working woman to housewife, this drastic change was really difficult to cope up with. Kids are my priority, and I do not regret this decision. But yes, somewhere in my mind and heart, I wanted to do myself. अपने लिए कुछ करने की इच्छा और बच्चों को प्रायोरिटी पे रखने का इमोशन जब ये आपस में मिले, so I was feeling like trapped into my own thought process. I started living in a very confused state of mind. मैं अपनी बात को रख नहीं पाती थी, मैं अपनी फीलिंग्स को ढंग से एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाती थी, बात करते करते आउट ऑफ ट्रैक हो जाती थी और कभी तो घर वाले टोक देते थे दैट व्हाट नॉनसेंस यू आर टॉकिंग. मेरा सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, मेरा सेल्फ एस्टीम काफ़ी लो हो गया था. I started cutting myself from friends and family and was getting anxious day by day. इसी दौरान one of my friends suggested me to join this public speaking course. And yes, I was looking for such platform where I can express my heart out without the fear to being judged. पब्लिक स्पीकिंग इंस्टीट्यूट ने ना तो मुझे सिर्फ एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया जहाँ पे मैं अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू और अपनी फीलिंग्स को एक्सप्रेस कर पाई. दे गिव मी अ चांस टू एक्सप्लोर माई सेल्फ. ऑदर शेरी सर, हु इज़ माई मेंटर, ना तो सिर्फ उन्होंने मुझे सुना, he trained me that how to express your feelings, your point of view in such a way or in a right way so that other can also feel connected with your emotions. He introduced me to myself. He returned my self-confidence and gave the vision of my life. He taught me how to see the life with second perspective. इस पब्लिक स्पीकिंग कोर्स से मुझे सिर्फ पर्सनल लेवल पे ही बेनिफिट नहीं मिला है, मुझे प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे भी बेनिफिट मिला है. As a speaker, now I know how to create a good content, how to speak in front of audience, and how to connect with them authentically. And I'm hopeful that soon I will be a part of good projects too. तो अगर आप मुझसे पूछें और अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ तो yes, I will definitely recommend this public speaking course if you are upgrading or if you want to upgrade your skill in public speaking field. Author Sherry Sir is an unstoppable leader and such a down-to-earth personality. आपके अंदर का जो एक हिडन पोटेंशियल है उसको बाहर कैसे निकालना है, इसकी कला अगर किसी को आती है तो वो सिर्फ ऑथर शेरी सर को. So I'm very thankful to Author Sherry Sir and Public Speaking Institute for creating such a platform or course where naive people like me can come and learn this skill. I'm grateful to you, sir, and Public Speaking Institute and Kara Mang for being such a supportive coordinator. Thank you.